Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to understand one of most important foundation of the MS project, which is in the interface of the software. Before we start building a schedule or adding a task, it is very important to understand where everything is located and how MS project is structured. Once you understand the interface, working with MS project become much easier and faster. Let's start. First, we understand about the ribbon. The ribbon is main control panel of the MS project. It contains all the tool command group into a tabs such as task, resource, reports, project, view, help, Gantt chart format like that. For example, on the task tab, you can find the adding task, link task, uh, summarize, milestone like that. On the resource tab, you can see the assign resources. It may be a labor resources or material or cost resources. Think of the ribbon as the main toolbox of the MS project where all commands are available. Then we will go to the task sheet. This is the task sheet. In here, each row represents a task and each column contains a task details such as task name, duration, start date, finish date, processor and resource name. This section is the data input area of your project. Without this table, MS Project cannot build your schedule. Then go to the Gantt chart. If you are not in the Gantt chart view, then go to this and select the Gantt chart. This is the one of most powerful feature in MS Project. The Gantt chart visually represents your project timeline using horizontal bars. Each bar shows when task start, when it finish, how long it take. It also shows the relationship between tasks using linking arrows. For example, if your foundation work is delayed, you can immediately see how affect the other activity. The Gantt chart helps you to visualize the entire project schedule in one view. Then we'll go to the timeline view. In here, you can see this view. At the top of the screen, you will notice the timeline view. The timeline will provide high-level summary of your task. Insert so in all tasks, it is highlights key milestone and major activities. This is very useful for presentation, progress reporting and management update. For example, a project manager may not need to see every task, but only major phase like design, construction, commissioning. The timeline helps communicates this clearly. Then we will go to the resource view. This section is used managing everything related to the project resources. Resource can include human resources, equipment, materials like crane, excavator, materials, cost, like that. In this view, you can add a new resources, assign them to the task, track location or utilization. Proper resource management is very important because even if your schedule is perfect, a lack of resources can delay your project. As a summary, today we will learn ribbon is the main control panel of the project. At the same time, we will learn about the task sheet. Then we got the Gantt chart. Then we understand about the timeline view and we got the resource view and understand about that. As a conclusion, now that you can understand the MS project interface, you are already in for the next step. In the next episode, we will create your very first project schedule from scratch and learn how to add task duration and build working plan. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and comment like for my YouTube channel.